Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I want us to do something small in graphic designing. We are going to do a couple of things. We want to design an invitation card for a birthday party. Then from one design, I will reproduce it to create personalized copies of the same card. By personalized copies, I mean I will have like 9 cards, but each card will have name, title, and even phone number of different people. So the card template will be one, but the final 9 cards which will be produced will have different names depending on the visitors I am inviting. I will go ahead and show you the list of my visitors. This is the list of visitors prepared in MS Excel. I have their first name, last name, title, and phone number here. So once the card is ready, I will use mail merge process to pick this data from this Excel file and insert this information in the card which will be reproduced by the mail merge wizard. I will start MS Publisher because I want to draw the card in MS Publisher, and I'm going to use a 5 landscape. So I'll just click here, more blank paper sizes, then choose a 5 landscape, then I will click create, and you can see here the A5 paper is just blank with nothing in it. So I will go to MS Paint and draw a small graphic which I will apply it round to create an attractive border. Now in MS Paint, I'm just going to draw a small design using these shapes and just paint it orange in the middle. Then I will just use the straight lines to design a small star. And you have to be very creative, because if you apply more creativity, the final work will look attractive. So I will paint red the wings of the star. Just like that. Then I will just select it. Then crop. Now you can see the size of the height of this graphic is 53 pixels. I want to reduce it to 20 because the graphic which will be applied around the border of the card must be as small as possible. So I'll click this resize handle and I will just type here under pixel. After choosing pixels, under vertical for the height, to just type 20, then click OK. Now you can see the graphic is small. I will just save it in my folder. You can call it pick. The next thing I want to do, I want to draw a small flower which looks attractive but bigger than the one I drew earlier. So I will just use the curved shape. Can just do this, draw the leaves. Very simple and easy. Click another shape like that. Then I will draw my flower. You can use this curve. Click another shape. Draw the curve like this. Click another shape back to my curve. Click another shape back to my curve like that. I will pick my pencil here and draw some lines inside the petal. Then I will paint it with green. Then the middle part I can just use pink color. Then I put dots. I just choose here white color. Change color 1 to white. Then I will just use pencil and choose the thicker size. Then put some white dots like that. I can come here, choose green color and paint this leaf here green. Then I will select these leaves, copy, paste, so that I have several of these leaves. So while it is selected, I will change transparency of the background. I don't want white background. I will just click transparent selection so that the leaves will not be hiding anything. I will select this one. Then I can come to rotate, flip horizontal, and arrange it somewhere down here. I will also select this one and put it down like that. Then I will just select here and crop, and I will save this in my folder. Let me just call it flower. So I have done all the drawings required. Now I'm ready to design my border. I will just click insert, use the square shape, and I can draw an attractive border. I want to remove this middle fill. I just come to shape, no fill. Now I want to put my picture round like this, the small picture I drew of a star. So I will just right click in this shape, right click in the middle of it, then choose format auto shape. Then you use this border art. Then you choose create custom. There are some options from Microsoft Publisher, but I just want a custom one, the one I drew. Click create custom, select picture, work offline. I will locate my picture, this smaller one, and click insert. Then click everything okay until the end. So you can see now My card has an attractive border art. I will come and insert the picture I drew of a flower. I just put it at the corner like this. For my invitation card, I will come to text box here and draw the title of my card. Let me just call it birthday invitation card. Select the font. Let me go with the 26 or 28. Look for a nice font. Okay, let me just choose that one and change the color of the font. Can even put blue and make it bolder. Next, I will just come and insert another text box. Of course, here I want the name of the visitor. I want the title. I also want the first name. And the last name. I will increase the font size. So maybe 18. Then down here I want phone number, so that when somebody is late, that person can be called. So this one can be bold. Like that. Then I can create a line. Just come to shapes, create a line here, press shift to get a straight line, and use arrow keys to push it up. Then I can choose under shape outline, I can choose a nice color here. Let me just choose that one. Then below here, I will now write the message. I wish to invite you to my birthday party on 1st June at Safari Park Hotel. I will be celebrating my 20th birthday this year, and I will be happy to share my joy with you. Okay, that is the message. You can just increase the font to around 16 and change color probably to grayish. color. I'll make it bold like that. Finally, I'll put a signature down here. Jones. And I can decorate the name with the italic and make it a different color. So the card template is ready. I will just save it. I can call it template. Now from this template, we want to produce personalized cards, which will be different depending on the title of somebody and the name and phone number. And to do that, I will just use this list in Excel using the mail match wizard to pick the information from here and insert it on personalized cards of each visitor. I will come to mailings, then under mail match, just click, then choose step by step mail match. Then I just click next. Then when you are asked where is the file, you just click desktop, birthday party, visitors. In sheet 1, this is the list. You can remove the people you don't want to receive the card, but we want everybody to receive the card. I will click OK. Now I will just select the title, then I click here the links for the mail match, put space here, select this, click first name, put space, select this, put last name, and phone number, click phone number. I want the text to appear in red, so I will come here and change the font color, even near font color. Now I'm ready to reproduce my cards. I will just come here, next, you click. Then here we want to reproduce all the cards into a new publisher document. So I will choose merge to a new publication. And you can see the cards have been reproduced to a new publication. If I click them like this, you can see the information is changing, which is personalized according to the person who is going to receive it. So finally, you'll just save all these produced cards in this published document under a different name, and it will be ready for printing. Thanks a lot. That is all we have for today. See you next time. Bye bye.